My people, I want to bring this update for you. Please, there's only one thing I want you to do. Cool down and watch this video. Just mellow yourself down. Watch this video. This is your brother 1042. We don't lack for giving you updates, but I just want you to share your opinion. And if you never follow me, please follow me. Share this video, my people. Share this video so that other people will as well watch it and give it a thumb up. This video today will tell you that I'm not lying for whatsoever, and I'm here to be giving you back-to-back update. Thank you so much, and let's go to the video. Never forget to like this video, share it to other people to watch. God bless you. Okay?
See what you're seeing now. It has name I know. He's always shining say.
All the way from Canada. And we
That is the reason why I love you so. Jesus is the sweetest name I know. Reverend sister, what is that?
My name is Sister Juliana Eligwe. I'm from Canada. I came this early morning today from Canada with wheelchair and my cane.
You came with wheelchair?
Yes.
And you came?
Yes.
Where is the wheelchair?
From the airport, they use at the airport.
Wait. Huh?
At the airport, they use wheelchair all the way from Winnipeg till I landed in Port Harcourt 12 a.m. last night. And this morning in the plane, I came with this to Zion. Now I can walk, I can jump.
Woo! China Sister, let's hear you. You know, there are some people that are doubting the power of God. Which state do you come from?
I came from Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada.
No, I mean the state you come from, Nigeria or Africa.
Oh, I'm from Uzakoli, Uzakoli, Abia State.
Now, sister, you know you're a reverend sister?
Yes, sir.
You said they carry you from the wheelchair from airport.
Yes.
Because you cannot walk.
Yes.
And even in a plane, this is what you use to sustain yourself.
Yes, I use it to support myself so that I can walk.
What happened during the prayer? What happened?
So during the prayer, I have been singing and asking God that today is my last. I will use this. For 3 years, I had an accident. I've been suffering this. And they said that I will do knee replacement. I said no. I don't want knee replacement. That I believe in the God of Zion, that God will heal me. I must go to ODESHI. And my doctor was saying, what is ODESHI? I said, you will see.
Okay, Canada doctor, say what is ODESHI?
Yes. I said, ODESHI, will see I'm going to receive my miracle. I will come back. You will see me without my cane and any of those. And it has happened.
Wave your hands unto the Lord. Wave your hands.
Share you don't watch the video, please. I know you like this video. Please share this video. Let other people watch it as well and like this video as well. Thank you so much.